Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we are going to look at the forklift pickup rack extended roll conveyor. This roll conveyor is an extended roll conveyor added after the third phase cross-cutting. We have designed 2 insert holes at the conveyor belt. The purpose is to allow the forklift to take the cut EPS sheets from the pickup rack and then directly transport them to the EPS sandwich panel lamination workshop for the next production process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.